Hello, everyone. So we just got done a club meeting, and it was our first one, so it was really weird. Um, I think we need some AS. So like, listen to this. This is beautiful. I don't even know what it is. It's the cleaning spray that I have in my room. I don't know why. It. I'm high or something. Well, listen to that. I don't know what's going on today. I'm over for that. But yeah, that's what's going on. So, let's see. I'm just gonna leave my club. Bye. Okay. Oh, person. I call them peoples now for no reason. Oh, well, I failed. Whoa. Okay, I just love this place. I like people. The random NPCs that talk to each other. It's hilarious. Oh, that was weird. What's this? People. Whoa. What is this? Why? We're just exploring now. We're gonna come up here because, yeah, we're cool. And we're gonna leave everyone behind because we're also really cool. Let's see. There it is. UFO. Yeah. um, I don't know what goes on here. Hold on, apparently. Okay, I have to say something for the camera. Jinx is the best. Not Alli. I don't know who Alli is. Who's Alli? I don't know Alli. Yes, Jinx is the best. Perfect thumbnail, kinda. I'm the best, apparently, so. Oh god, I'm high without my mental support who has left for a few days. Um we aren't very good mental supports for each other. We like to be high when we're together and now I'm high by myself. It was my high partner. My partner in crime. I keep losing my club. Hola, soy Dora. Dorla? Yeah, guys, her name is Dorla. I don't think you knew that. Dorla. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. We're not in it to win it. Oh. Okay, okay, Alli. Okay, you'll see one. You'll see one. Yep. You'll see one. Mm-hmm. Jinx is better. Jinx is better, everyone. It's true facts. It's proven facts Every scientist knows it's facts. In math, did you know that one of your questions is who is better? Jinx is the right answer. I have to clean my mic now. Just got it wet and stuff from my light just flickered. That was scary. Don't mind that. That was like my finger. Yeah. Okay, now it smells like really strong. It smells like cleaning stuff. Oh my god. It's gonna go up my nose, in my eyes, down my stomach. What? What is going on? No. Is this a slide? No, it's not a slide. But we could jump this. Oh yeah, we're so cool. Wait, who did I take here? They were from Misty. Who did I take? Was it Frog? I think it was, because this is when it wasn't like updated. Now we're that's pretty. Into the unknown? Yeah. Lovely. I give up. Oh, what that was. What was it? Oh, hi. Look at all, like, the light gray horses here. Holy crap. Oh no, our fans from yesterday. We're gonna go see our fans. Let's hope they're there. Iconic. Iconic Jenny. Oh god, if I burp, I'm gonna die. Hey. I've done it before. Totally. Uh-oh. Um, oh, I feel like I need a burp, but I can't burp. Please just burp. You want to see my first burp in a video? Oh my god. Maybe I'll go get the Mountain Dew and I can burp. Dog, shut up. What? If you guys don't know, my burps are like really bad. Some of my friends actually call me Violet Flower Garden because I burp a lot. Wait! Oh my god! That first burp was so weird. Wow. There we go. I burped for the first time on camera. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god! The second burp! I drink wine. Guys, we have to drink wine. Everyone drink some wine. It's really healthy for you. Where the heck is Alli? Okay. We'll put that Alli is the best. Right beside me and Frog, because we're all the best. And Shadow, we're all the best. Everyone in the club is the best. Because we are the best. Did you guys know that? BEST stands for Beat Emerald Students. Uh, Tomorrow, because you can't today. Wow. That's what BEST stands for. See, BEST even has ES in it. Like, if I do this, like, I am so cool. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just sounded like a frog. That was supposed to be a burp. Now I sound like a frog. Now someone's gonna say I'm a frog. No, frog's a frog. You all know that. I'm scared of frogs too. So, yeah. Oh, hi, Alli. Didn't see you there. Totally. Didn't see you at all. Great entrance. Love it. Yeah. Anyways, I think that's gonna be all. Here's the beautiful thumbnail for today. Yeah, lovely. I think we just need a beautiful picture of Jenny in the sand. There we go. Dude, when I started Star Stable, my character looked like this. Now I changed it to this. I kind of miss the green eyes, but that's all. I don't miss anything else. Why would I miss anything else? I look hot now. Hey, nice. Let's see what we're doing on this Snapchat because like I keep getting notifications and I need them to shut the fuck up. Okay, it's Lucy. Now it's Taylor. Oh, that's a beautiful picture of my friends. Wow, they have some very nice pictures. Oh, I wouldn't mind if there was a crack in that again. What is Jenny doing to my horse? Oh my god. I know, like, whoa. You know who's ugly? The sand. I need to burp again. Wake up. Wake up, Alli. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh my god, wake up. Wake up. That just hit my window. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this now. Guys, look at all of our fans. We had like a ton of fans. We had like a mob of fans yesterday. I think there's some that girl, Emily, she was there. I think this girl was too. That girl, this one. See, our fans, they knew we were here and they came over to us because they're our biggest fans. They're our paparazzi. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video off here. If you would like to see more stuff or have any like ideas I could do for my videos, let me know and I can try them out. Anyways, bye everyone.